Hi children, welcome back to my channel. Now we are going to do certain problems related to quadrilaterals and parallelograms for standard 8. So this is part 3. So in part 1 and 2 we discussed various properties of quadrilaterals and parallelograms. Now we will be using those properties to find the values of the angles. So unless you are thorough with the properties, you will find it difficult to do these problems. So before starting this, please revise the earlier parts thoroughly and then start doing this. Now it is given ABCD is a rectangle. ABCD is a rectangle. Now this angle is also given, angle C, suppose I give this as O, COB, BOC is equal to 44 is given. Angle BOC equal to 44 is given. Now you have to find all the remaining angles. So in a rectangle is a parallelogram as we know, and all the diagonals, and in a parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other. In a rectangle, the diagonals are equal, therefore, these AO will be equal to OC and OD is equal to OB because the diagonals bisect each other, and the diagonals are also equal in a rectangle, therefore, OC will be equal to BO, equal to AO, equal to OD. Therefore, this is 44. So, the 5 and 4 has to be equal. So, first we will find these angles, angle 5 and 4. So, in triangle, so first we will write diagonals AO AC equal to BD. Diagonals are equal in a rectangle. Then AO equal to OC and BO is equal to OD because diagonals bisected each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Therefore, OC equal to OB. So, in triangle COB, angle 5 is equal to angle 4. So, 44 plus angle 5 plus angle 4 is equal to 180. From this we will get angle 5 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 minus 44. So, 136. Therefore, angle 4 is equal to angle 5 is equal to 136 divided by 2. (68°). So, 4 and 5 is 68 degrees. Now, this is a rectangle. So, once you get angle 4, then you can find angle 3. So, angle 3 is equal to, because in a rectangle, all the angles are 90 degrees. So, angle 3 is equal to 90 minus angle 4. So, that is 90 minus 68. Angles in a rectangle is 90 degrees. Now, this angle 8 will be again similarly OB is equal to OA, therefore, angle 8 is equal to the same value, angle 3 equal to angle 8, so equal to 22 degrees. So, the same reason OC equal to, the reason will be OA equal to OB. Now, again angle 7 will be, similarly angle 7 will be 90 minus angle 8. So 90 minus 22 will be 68. So now once you get 3 and 4, 7 and 8, then we can write 8 is equal to 6. So alternate angles, because these two are parallel, so 6 and 8 will become alternate angles. So angle 6 is equal to angle 8 is equal to, so angle 8 is 22 degrees. Alternate angles. AB parallel to CD. Similarly, you will get 1 equal to AB parallel to CD, so 1 equal to 3. So angle 1 is equal to angle 3 is equal to 22 degrees. Again, alternate angles, AB is parallel to CD. Now 7 we have, so 7 will be equal to 2, angle 7 equal to angle 2 equal to 68. Again OD is equal to OA. You can also do that, or alternate angles also you can do. If you know these two, you can find these two. You know these two, again you can find this. Now here these are equal, so if you know this, with this you can write the same, 2 and 7 are equal. So in various ways you can do this problem. So 1, now we have to find angle 1, 2, 3 is over, then angle 4, angle 4 and angle 5 we have to find. So angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So angle 2 is equal to angle 4. So angle 2 is 68 degrees. Alternate angles. Here AD is parallel to BC. So 2, 3, 4 is over, 5. Angle 5 is equal to angle 4 because they are same. So we already found 4. So no need of finding that. I think we have covered everything. So 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. Yeah, 4 also we have already done, so we don't have to do this. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we have found out all the angles. Of course this angle will be, suppose I give this as 9. Angle 9 is equal to 44 degrees. Vertically opposite angles. Now here the figure is a rhombus and this angle is given. Now we have to find all the remaining angles. So in a rhombus we know the diagonals bisect at right angles, and the diagonals are not equal here, but they bisect each other. That means this and this will be equal and these two will be equal, and in rhombus all the 4 sides are equal. So let us start now. Let us find this angle. Now this is 56 and angle O is equal to, so angle AOB is equal to 90 degrees. The reason is diagonals bisect at right angles. Therefore angle 1. So angle 1 will be 180 minus, angle sum property we will use. So 180 minus 90 plus 56. So this is equal to 180 minus 146, that is equal to 34. So this is 34. Now we can find this angle. So this will be angle 2 is equal to angle 1, alternate angles. AB is parallel to CD. So angle 2 is equal to 34. Now this is 34 and again this is 56. Those angle 3 will be, angle 3 is equal to 56, angle 3 is equal to 56. Again alternate angles, AB is parallel to CD, the same. Now we will find, so this is, we know 2, we know 1. Yeah, in a rhombus, the angles, the diagonals bisect the angles. So we have this angle, 1, 2, 3, 4. So angle 4 is equal to 56. Diagonals bisect the angles. So this will become, angle 4 will become 56. So 56, now we have, so this is one way. Another way of doing is, now we know angle 4 equal to 56 and this is 56. So together angle DAB is equal to 108. So from that we can find angle ADC. Angle ADC, co-interior angles, adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. So angle ADC will be 180 minus 108. So 72. So 72, now again this will be, this BD is bisecting the angle. So angle 2 is equal to, there is a mistake here. It is DAB is twice 2 into 56. So it is equal to 112. So ADC will be 180 minus 112. So that becomes 68. So angle 2 will become, angle 2 is equal to 68 divided by 2. So 34. So we got here also 34 with this method. Here also we got it as with this method, 34. So we, so the reason we can write is, the diagonals bisect the angles. In rhombus and square, the diagonals bisect the angles. So now 2 is equal to, so you cannot use this property in rectangle. In rectangle the diagonals do not bisect. So this property can be used only in rhombus and square. So 2 is 34, then 3 we have already found. So angle BCD will be, angle DAB is 112. So angle BCD is also 112. So with that we can say angle 3. So from this we can say angle 3. So this is another method. So angle 3 is equal to, suppose I am giving this value as 5. Angle 3 is equal to, angle 5 is equal to 112 divided by 256. So here also we got, using this alternate angles also we got angle 3 is equal to 56. So 1 angle 2, and suppose this I am giving this as 6. So angle 2 and angle ADC is equal to 68. So angle 6 is equal to angle 2 equal to 34 degrees. Yeah, now I think everything we have covered. So angle ABC, so angle ABC will be, now the full thing, BAD is 112. So angle ABC will be 180 minus angle BAD, that is equal to 180 minus 112. It is equal to 68. So angle 1 is equal to angle 1 equal to angle 8 is equal to 68 by 2 is equal to 34. Here also we got angle 1 is equal to 34. So this the same property we are using it everywhere. So you can use either of the method, whichever is easy and comfortable for you. So here it is given ABCD is a square and this angle angle DPC is equal to 112 is given. Now we have to find the angle DQC. So to find this this is a very easy question. Again we are going to X and Y. We have to find these two angles. So AC is a diagonal. So diagonal will bisect the angles in the square. So therefore Y is equal to Y, and let me give this value as angle 1. So angle Y is equal to angle 1 is equal to 45 degrees. It will bisect me all in square. The angle DAB is 90 degrees. All the angles are 90 degrees. So since AC is bisecting, this angle will be 45 degrees. The reason is diagonal bisects the angle. All angles are 90 in square. So now let us find this angle. Let this be angle 2. So this will become a linear pair. So angle DPC CPD plus angle 2 is equal to 180. It is linear pair. Therefore angle 2 is equal to 180 minus 112, 68 degrees. Now it's easy to find angle X, the value of X. So in triangle CPQ, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus X is equal to 180, angle sum property. Therefore X is equal to 180 minus of 68 plus 45. So it is 67 degrees. Hope this is clear for you. I will see you with more problems in my next video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends and also leave your comment. Bye for now.